Page 103. Now, there's two pieces on this. They're both short, and you're doing the same thing. You're transposing for tenors. You're just tenor and bass. So I'm going to take both of these in this same lesson. What I say for one applies to both. But this is an example of choral music. More specifically, tenor and bass. If you look at the beginning of the lines, you see a T and a B. That's tenor and bass. You'll notice there's no grand staff. It's not piano music. It's choral music. And you're simply playing the notes for the singers. I personally think the bass is a little bit high for basses. I prefer basses being down here. That's what's written here, so I don't know, talk to Brahms. But the tenor, they're not going to sing up here. No, sopranos would sing up here. You got to take the top staff down an octave here. So they're both singing very close together. Here. So they're pretty close together. I think probably you could have tenors sing both lines, but it says tenor and bass. I don't know. Second line. Singing close together, and so you're kind of playing both, but you brought the top staff down an octave. You transposed it down an octave, so you're playing the same pitch as they're singing. Now the bottom one, who will be a witness? It's the same thing, tenor and bass. You're going to do it the same way. The top staff, bring it down an octave. The bottom staff, you play it where it is. I still think it's a little bit high. I think I would prefer the bass go down an octave too and sing it down here. But maybe that's too low for, I don't know. But that's what it is one. And the basses, now both together. Now they're singing the same pitches. On the same pitch, according to what the music says. You're just taking the top staff down an octave and you're attempting to play both staves at the same time. Sometimes they get in each other's way. You have to deal with that.